In today's how-to video, we're going to go over how to use the LevelSCOUT 2X and the BaroSCOUT 2X together to compensate the LevelSCOUT 2X's readings with the BaroSCOUT 2X's file. To get started, I'm going to connect my LevelSCOUT 2X to my COM cable to Aquaphor Plus software. I'm going to click Rescan to find the sensor, and there it is. I'm going to make sure I have no tests on it yet, and I'm going to go to Settings. I'm going to make sure my settings are where I want them. I want degrees Fahrenheit, my pressure in feet H2O. I'm going to double check my sensor time. It looks like it's matched with PC time, so we're good to go there. I'm going to go ahead and save. Next, we're going to go ahead and do a test file. On this one, I'm going to say test file compensation. Too many letters, so I'm going to go to test file comp. There we go. I'm going to do it every 15 minutes and do it for 1 day. That'll give me 97 records. I will be doing a delayed start. I'm going to select time for 10 a.m. today. And OK. So we're all ready to start. I'll run this test overnight and pull it up around 10 o'clock tomorrow. Next, we have to connect the BaroSCOUT. I'm going to go ahead and disconnect my cable. Connect my BaroSCOUT 2X, and then I'm going to rescan. BaroSCOUT demo unit's up. As you can see, we have no tests. I'm going to make sure it is reading the same as the LevelSCOUT. I'm going to make sure that our sensor time is synced. Enough battery voltage. We're good to go there. I'm now going to set up a log file on it. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to say test file comp. But I'm going to add Baro to it just so I know it's that. 1 day, delayed start. We're getting close to that start time, so I better hurry up. 10 o'clock, 10 o'clock, straight. OK, and start. All right, both files are off and running. We'll come back later and do the download data and compensation. Now that we've collected some data on our sensors, it is time to download the data and compensate for barometric pressure. I'm going to start by first connecting my LevelSCOUT 2X and downloading its level data. We're just going to go ahead, make sure we're connected to the demo LevelSCOUT 2X unit, and I'm going to click this icon right here to download. Once it has been received, I can just go ahead and close, and it will show me where it saved that file. Notice the compensation widget is right here. We still need to download our barometric file. Now we just need to connect the BaroSCOUT 2X to compensate the LevelSCOUT 2X file. We're going to connect the sensor to the COM cable, rescan for it, and there is the BaroSCOUT file. We're going to download it and continue, and go ahead and close it. It's now going to show us the LevelSCOUT file that needs to be compensated, and right here's the barometric icon. And as you can see, there's no widget symbol there for it because it doesn't need it. So we're going to go ahead and click on the widget. We're going to accept the Baro file, continue. Report has been saved, and now we can review the data. If we need to export to Excel, we can export right here. That's it for the video on how to compensate a LevelSCOUT 2x file with the BaroSCOUT 2x file. Thank you for joining us.